In a crucial court ruling, Barrister Anderson Asemota has shared the outcome with journalists. The court's decision allowed the tribunal to continue its proceedings in Abuja rather than relocating to its original location. Asemota emphasized that the court's decision ensured the tribunal could continue its work without interruption, safeguarding the constitutional rights of petitioners. The ruling was a significant victory for the petitioners, who had taken their grievances to the tribunal. The court's decision highlighted the importance of upholding the rule of law and ensuring that justice is served, despite the challenges posed by insecurity concerns.
So the order we got today, basically, is to say that the tribunal have power to continue to hold their proceedings here in Abuja, and that the court has directed that they should go ahead to conduct their proceedings here, to hold their proceedings here, and that there should be no relocation, because the time left for this is less than 20 days. And more so, there is serious insecurity back where they are coming from. So they cannot go back to Egypt, because they return back to Egypt. What we are saying, if they return back to Egypt, the proceedings cannot be concluded. And the constitutionally guaranteed rights of the petitioners, those who have taken their petitions to the tribunal, would have been infringed upon completely. And that's a right guaranteed by the Constitution. So the tribunal, the judges, the members of the panel cannot on their own be the reasons why an aggrieved petitioner cannot have his case heard and determined. So, and that was what we took to court. That these people, they have their right, and their right is guaranteed by Section 36 of the Constitution. If you go to the poll and you are not satisfied, it's part of the democracy. And that's the essence of the theory of the rule of law, as propounded by Professor A.V. Dicey. If I'm aggrieved, I should be able to go to court to ventilate my grievances. Now these people went to tribunal to ventilate their grievances. For one reason or the other, some persons do not want the tribunal to conclude the proceedings. So that is what the court has done today. The court has come to galvanize and to electroplate the provisions of the Constitution, to say that the tribunal, the procedure of the tribunal is sui generis. It's time-bound. It's not like every other cases where you have forever to conduct your proceeding. They have 180 days. And it is taken into cognizance that 180 days that the court decided to say, tribunal has power. It should go ahead to conduct its proceedings here in Abuja and conclude saying within the time allowed. By 14th or so of next month, the 180 days would have excoriated completely. So that is what the order that my Lord made today tried to salvage. That is what the order my Lord made today tried to correct, to make sure none of the petitioners is denied of his or her rights as guaranteed by the Constitution. So simplicity, that is what the matter is all about.